What do you think of all this? This loud thunder, huh? What do you think of it? Ooh, that one was literally right over there. Oh my gosh, I saw the flash and bam. Are you okay? Was that scary? Was that scary? Scared Mama a little too. Yeah, it's okay. Ooh, the rain's starting to come down too, huh? Uh-oh, which direction is it coming? I left the windows upstairs open. Should be good. It's okay. Mom will take care of you. We'll stay away from the windows, okay? We'll stay over here. Yeah. Actually, I think the rain is coming the direction. I need to go close the windows. Let's go close the windows. Is this whole storm beneath you? Yeah. I told you we were going to stay away from the windows. What are you doing?